Hello students, today we will discuss about time. So let us understand some important points that we will cover in this chapter. So write the heading, that is what highlights of the chapter. Clear? Highlight of the chapter means the points we will be discussing in this chapter, and the point number 1, conversion. Okay? We'll discuss conversion means how we will convert 12-hour clock into 24-hour clock and 24-hour clock time into 12-hour clock time. So, next point, 24-hour clock. This also we'll discuss. The next one, that is addition and subtraction in time. We'll discuss addition and subtraction in time. Clear? Next point we'll discuss, that is calendar. Next, conversion of days, weeks, months, and years. Okay, and the last point we are going to discuss, that is word problems. Means few story sums will discuss related to this chapter, time. Okay students, so one by one let's have a look for every topic, and the first topic is conversion. So before we are going to take this topic, you need to learn few points. Okay, so things to learn means what are the things you need to learn? Things to learn. Few points are there you need to remember. Clear students? So I am writing the points. You all need to write the points in the notebook. Okay, first you will write the highlight of the chapter, means how many topics we are going to cover it, and then things to learn means few points are there in the chapter you need to remember. Clear? And the first point is, we all know that in 1 hour how many minutes? That we all know in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. Okay, in 1 minute how many seconds? In 1 minute there are 60 seconds. Next point, in 1 month how many days? So there are 30 or 31 days ideally. Means this is ideal case. When month name is not given, what you will take? You will take 30 days. Okay, and when month is already given in the question, so accordingly you can take 30 or 31 days or 28 or 29 days. As you know that in February month how many days? 28 days. Or if February means the year is leap year, how many days in February? There are 29 days in February. I hope you all know. Clear? So 1 week, in 1 week how many days? There are 7 days in 1 week. Okay, next point is, in 1 year how many days? 365 days in an ordinary year. And if the year is leap year, then how many days in leap year? Means in leap year how many days? In leap year there are 366 days. Okay students, so in leap year how many days? 366 days in a leap year. Okay, clear? Next, what means, suppose year is given and you need to find that year is. So students, let's continue one by one all the topic, and I am going to take the first topic, conversion. Okay, and let us understand the conversion with the help of one example. Okay, and students, the question I am doing, the same question you will do in the notebook also. Will not do any exercise. We are doing the same exercise question only, but will not do all the questions from all the exercise. Okay, we are here to understand the concept of time. So the question I am doing here, you need to copy it and understand and then copy it in your notebook. Clear? Fine. So the first question I am taking, that convert the following into seconds. Okay. Okay students, this is the question number 1, and A part I am taking, that is 4 minutes. Suppose this is the question, 4 minutes, and what is the question asking? Convert the following into seconds. We are having 4 minutes and we need to convert this 4 minutes into seconds. So first of all, you should know that in 1 minute how many seconds? We all know, I have given you the points to learn. Also, 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. As we have already discussed, and I have already given you the point to learn. In 1 minute there are 60 seconds. Suppose the same way we have done the unitary method questions. Suppose 1 pen cost is given and I am asking you to find 4 pen cost. Can you find it? You can, of course you can find it. Fine. Means 1 pen cost 5 rupees. What is the cost of 4 pen? Of course you can find it. How? By multiplying 4 into 5. Means 5 pen, 1 pen cost 5 rupees. So 4 pen cost 5 into 4. That is what, 20 rupees. Clear? Or you can add 4 times. Means 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, because you are purchasing, you are buying 4 pen. So what you will do? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 4 pen cost, and then you can add it. Both the way you can do it. So the same way we are doing here. We should know that in 1 minute how many seconds? We know that in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So how many minutes in 4? How many seconds in 4 minutes? Right here in 4 minutes. How many seconds? 4 into 60. The same way. Okay. Multiply it. 4 multiply by 60. What are you getting? 420 seconds. Clear? Fine. So let us take one more question of it. I am taking here 7 minutes and 35 seconds. This is the second one question. Same thing we are going to do here also. 7 minutes and 35 seconds. 35 is already in second and we are converting here into second only. So no need to convert this 35 second into second because already it is in second. Okay. Only we need to convert this 7 minutes into second. How? With the same way. 7 multiplied by 60. Clear? And then we will add this 35 minutes in the answer. I hope you people are understanding. Okay. So the same way, first of all, you need to write the conversion formula. Do not skip this conversion formula. You will means we can deduct your marks. Write the conversion formula as I have written. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. This is the conversion formula for this question. Okay. So I am going to write here again. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Clear? So what we need to find? 7 minutes and 35 seconds. 7 minute and 35 seconds. I'm sorry, I have written here minute. Okay, so 7 minute and 35 seconds is equals to, what you will do, same 7 into 60 and plus, because this 35 seconds already in seconds, so we will add here directly. Clear? What is the answer now? 60 into 7, 420. Clear? And then 35 seconds. Add it. When you will add 420 plus 35, you will get 455 seconds. I hope you people are understanding. So, do this 2 question in the notebook. Next thing we are going to discuss, that is what? 24-hour clock. Okay, we are going to discuss 24-hour clock. So students, I hope that you must have seen on television the time is written according to 24-hour clocks, like 19:35 in this way, 21:36 in this way. You must have seen. So this is what 24-hour clock time means. On a railway platform, means railway platform, flight, on television, you must have seen this, the way the time is written there. Okay, so in 24-hour clock, what you need to keep in your mind? We'll solve some questions also, but before it, understand the thing where you will use AM or PM. AM or PM is what? 12-hour clock concept. AM and PM. Okay, where we will use AM, the time from midnight to noon, means midnight time, means midnight 12 o'clock to noon 12 o'clock. This time gap you can call it in AM. And then the time from afternoon to midnight 12 o'clock, the time gap we can call it in PM. Okay, write in this way. Draw this figure in your notebook also. This is very important. The time gap between 12 midnight, okay, night, midnight, and then to 12 noon, afternoon. 12 o'clock midnight to 12 o'clock noon. This time we can call it as AM. And then which time you can call as PM? 12 afternoon to 12 midnight. Okay, how many how many hours in one day? There are 24 hours in one day, as we know. So from midnight to noon, the time is in AM. From noon to midnight, the time is in PM. Okay, suppose I am taking example is what? Morning 7. Okay, so morning 7 o'clock is the question I am taking. So what is it? We can call it as AM. Why? Because see, midnight to 12 noon. Okay, so all the time between this gap, means midnight to afternoon, that comes in AM. So 7 o'clock, morning 7 o'clock. So it is coming in this range. So what? You can call it 7 AM. Why I have written AM here? Because this morning time coming in this range, means 12 midnight to afternoon. Okay, now what is about PMC? One more example I am taking. Evening 4:30. Okay, evening 4:30. This is the time. So how you can call it? 4:30 p.m. Why p.m.? Because this evening time coming in this range. Means afternoon to midnight. So 4:30 is coming in this range. You can call it 4:30 p.m. Let us understand the concept of 24-hour clock with the question. The question is, convert the following time into 24-hour clock time. The question is 6:15 a.m. When a.m. is written, I am giving you the logic. a.m. or p.m. is there only. So when a.m. is written, what you need to do, write only the number, no need to change anything. Means how you can write this 6, 0, 6 and 5, 1, 5, then 1, 5. And 24-hour clock, no need to write AM and PM, only what you will write? Hours. Okay? This is the way to write the answer. Okay, students? No need to separate with any kind of colon, comma. In 24-hour clock time, the time is written in this way. No need to write any comma or colon between it. Okay? Means the first 2 digits showing hour and the next 2 digits showing minute. Okay? And no need to write AM or PM in 24-hour clock time. Clear, students? What I have told, that when AM is written, write the same time as it is. But make sure that your answer is in 4-digit number. Means your answer should be in 4 digit. Okay? You can see there are 3 digit, 1, 2, 3 here. So in 24-hour clock, you have to make this 3 digit as in 4 digit number. You can write 06 because only 6 is there. So I have written 06. In our time, means in our section, only 1 digit, make it 2 digit. How you will make? 6 ke baad 0? No. You will write before 6, 1, 0. So 06 and then 1, 5. So it should be 4 digit there. It is important. Okay. This much is clear. And the second thing what I have told, when AM is written, no need to do anything. Directly you can write the same numbers as it is given in the question and replace this AM as hours. No need to write AM and PM in 24-hour clock. Clear? When AM is written, don't change anything. Only make your time in 4-digit number and then write hours. Clear? Let us take one more question. Second one, that is what? 5:45 PM. Clear? This is the second question. See what is written here? PM. Whenever PM is written, in our section is this one, 5. Okay. So in our section, what you will do? Add plus 12. Okay. What you will do? In our section, 5 plus 12 and then rest one as it is. So what is the answer? 5 plus 12, that is 17, and answer is 17. And then what is in minute? 45. So same as 45 and then replace this PM with this hours. Okay. What you have understood? Means when you will see that PM is written in the question, simply add in hour section 12. Okay. Understood? Means PM is written, add 12 in this hour section and then minute section, copy same as. 45 is there, write 45 same as. Replace this PM with hour. Write hours after that. Okay. So 5 plus 12. What is it? 5 plus 12, 17 and 17 and 45 hours. What is the time in 24-hour clock? 17:45 hours. Is it clear? Let us do one more. The last one for 24-hour clock. That is what? 10:30 a.m. Yes? See what is written here? AM. So for AM, what I have told you, no need to do any kind of change. Simply write your number and replace this AM with hours. Okay? Already you are having 4-digit number here. See? 1, 2, 3, 4. So no need to do anything. Only simple copy it. Hours. Is it clear, students? I hope it is clear for you. Simple, if AM is written, copy down and then replace AM with hours. That's it. Let us do one more. एक और करते. The last one. Let us do one more. That is what? 8:40 p.m. Okay. What I have told you, when PM is written, simple, add in hour section, add 12. So when you will add 12 in 8, what you will get? 12 plus 8. You can do mentally. No need to show the addition. You can do mentally. 8 plus 12, 20. And then what I have told you, that copy it minute section, copy directly. So 40 and write after that hours. Is it clear? I hope it is clear for you. Students, so let us understand the second question. Convert the following time into 12-hour clock time. The time is given in 24-hour clock time. You need to convert into 12-hour clock time. So for this, the logic is, I have explained you in 24-hour clock time, the first 2 digit is in hour and the next 2 digit is in minute. Means 02 it is in hour and for 40, that is 40, in minute. Okay. So to convert into 12-hour clock time, check the hour section, means 02, the first 2 digit. Check first 2 digit. Okay. If the first 2 digit is less than 12, understanding, listen the things clearly, that when you are going to convert in 12-hour clock time and the time is given in 24-hour clock time, check first 2 digit number, means starting 2 digit number, and see that this number, means 2 digit number, is less than or greater than 12. Okay. So if the first 2 digit number is less than 12, write the time directly, means 2, means it is less than 12. 02 is less than 12. So what you will write? 2, and in 12-hour clock time we write colon, and then minute section is 40, and you can see, if the first 2 digit is less than 12, you will write here AM. In answer, what you will write? AM. If the first 2 digit is less than 12, write AM. If the first 2 digit is greater than 12, write PM. Clear? Here you can see the first 2 digit is less than 12. So no change in this number. You can write here 2 directly, 02 or 2, the same. So 02, I have written only 2. After that, in 12-hour clock, we used to write this colon and then 40, it is already there. And then I have told you, if it is less than 12, write AM. Okay. Understand the second question. Second question is, first 2 digit I want to check. What I have told? Check first 2 digit number, and the first 2 digit is what? 20. It is greater than 12. Okay. It is not less than 12. So in this condition, what you will do? subtract 12 from this number. Means what you will do? Subtract 12 from 20. What are you getting? After subtracting 12 from this 20, you are getting here 8. Isn't it? So, how you will write the answer? Whatever you are getting the answer, you will write here 8. And then, as you know that after R section, you will write colon and then 0, 0. Nothing is there in minutes, so write 0, 0. See, here what you will write? AM or PM? Of course, you will write PM. Why? Because the R section is what? Greater than 12. When the R section is greater than 12, what you will write? PM. Okay, students? When R section is less than 12, write AM. When R section is greater than 12, see here 20 is greater than 12, so write PM.